Punch me. Punch me again.
Nah.
I dare to punch me again.
Nah.
What?
Nah.
Okay.
No. Oh my god.
No!
Hey, you're trying to fake right?
I help me, please.
Come out wherever you are, pig. Guys, I think you should come back, bro. You know my brother Eric? No, you know my brother Eric? Eric? No,
I don't think he can
it's
run.
actually fun. Wait,
I
oh my god.
Eric,
we're safe, guys. Like this. Got the Srry. He got the
what's up, bro?
Oh, you're grateful. Yeah.
Oh,
Oh my god.
we're safe, guys.
Give me your attitude. This way.
Hey, pig.
What? What?
I'm gonna cut the cheeks.
Oh, yeah.
What the fuck?
This guy is
Pokey.
I'm not gonna lie.
Oh my god.
I'm singing this song even when I can't even.
Yeah, they dead. Yeah, they are dead.
Every single bitch.
Verse. Even when I can't even sing this verse. Cotton duties. What inside, duties?
Make some pinkish color, white, pink. Even when I can't even, we got pink, we got white with a top hat, we got purple, we got blue, we got all the colors in this fucking crew.
over there.
Guys, hey, don't curse! Yo, you bitch ass nigga, don't curse. Shut up over here.
Hey
play this game! Oh, there's a green monkey behind me. You wanna go, bitch?
Oh, sorry.
Guys, he's coming for me! You good, boy?
I'm coming down, everybody. Is that way? Is that way?
Yeah, you slow! Nah, bro, you slow!
Give me your half crazy. All for the love of you.
We're the same speed, Jay.
What?
Oh no,
Hey, what's up, dudes?
Oh my god, big run!
Right, Red.
Got him, duties.
Hey, big
Button time,
Shut up,
duties.
Red.
We're never gonna six pack.
Hey, you see his ass in the fucking air? Have you ever slapped the ass? Go. 1 second, can I have it? Okay. Hey, you want a tracker?
How old are you?
Hey, who wants a tracker?
Me. I'm 7.
Here, you want it so bad?
You can't be 6, 7. I am.
I'm
No, you're not.
bad.
Yellow, come here.
Give me a tracker.
Yellow. Hey, big back. You in there to get 6 pack? Hey, big back.
Will you let me?
I'm coming for it.
Y'all let me shit on you.
I can't look. I'm joking, I can. Oh god, I'm getting You guys are gay.
I'm gonna shit on you.
You are gay. You're gay. This guy is saying. This guy is saying.
You're like a no.
I'm not a boy, I'm a girl.
I'm good. You're
Fine, jeez, I didn't want to do anyway.
Get the freaking VR.
You wanna get? Who wants to get shit on? What? No. fine now. I will. When you're a
I can't hear you.
find you everywhere you go.
Yes, you can. I can't hear you.
Escape me. Because I'm built different. I know you changed your name. It was P-E-E. But now it's P-E.
What the f? How? I'm reporting
You can't escape me, Mr. P-Man.
Why are you reporting? Why are you reporting? I'm younger.
fucking shake. I'm 13. Stop trying to touch my
Trying to get oiled up.
I'm a minor.
What?
Oh, hi, guys.
I did not got tagged.
You did get tagged. Tagged.
No,
I
I
got
didn't.
you. Even.
No, I didn't. I didn't. Yo.